In today's video, I will show you how to set up and get started using Midjourney and create these amazing generated illustrations. Let's get started. The first thing we need is to have a Discord account. If you don't have one, then create one for free. Select the login button here. If you have an account, enter your information and log in. However, if you need to create one, select the register link below. Here you will be asked to enter your email and create a username and password. Fill this out and select continue when you are done. Now you will have to verify if you are human. Click the box and finish the task. Then select verify. Perfect, we are confirmed. I don't want to create a Discord server, so I will close this box. We are now inside the Discord user interface. We now need to connect Midjourney to Discord. Head over to midjourney.com. To use the free version, head over to the bottom right and select Join the Beta. Once selected, it will automatically be invited to join Midjourney. Select Accept Invite. It will only take a few seconds and redirect you to the Discord page. Your page will look something like this. To get started, we need to join a group. I will head over to the left side of the screen and select this room here under where it says Newcomer Rooms. Your rooms might be different. Don't worry, just find one and select it. You won't be the only one in the room. You will share it with many other users. Head over to the bottom section and let's begin generating some artwork. Press the / key on your keyboard and then type Imagine. You will also see that option appear on top. Select it, and now you are going to see the word prompt inside a black box. Here is where we're going to type the command we want to give to Midjourney for it to generate our image. I will ask it to generate an image of a cat on the moon anime style and press enter. And oh no. It seems I got a message. Due to the extreme demand, we can't provide a free trial right now. Please subscribe or try again tomorrow. Seems I will wait for tomorrow and try again. Okay, it's been a full day and I'm going to retry again. Again, I'll head over to a newcomer room and select this one here. I'll type / and then imagine. Oh, it's here. I'll select it and now I will type the image I want Midjourney to generate. I want an orange cat, eating pizza, riding a bike, anime style. And I'll press enter. You can now see the artwork it generated based on what I typed. You can get a better look by selecting the image. I like the first one and the second one. Under the image, you will see these buttons. The U's are for upscaling your photo, and the V's are to generate 4 more options of the selected image. The numbers represent the images. This one is number 1, this one 2, this one is 3, and that one is... Let me scroll up. This one is 4. I want more variations of number 1 and number 2, so I will select V1 and V2. As you can see, Midjourney has generated 4 more options for the second image, and the same for the first image. Now, if you want to change the dimensions of the images, we will need to add a command. I will type / and type imagine or select it. And I will ask it to make an orange dog eating a hamburger, riding a skateboard, in anime style. I'll add a space and then type 2 dashes, AR and space. And then the dimension that I want. I want a widescreen, so I will do 16:9, but there are other options if you want to try them out. I will type 16:9 and press enter. And there you have it. You now know how to generate images in Midjourney. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Till the next one.